Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is our presentation. Me and my partner. Okay, before I start my presentation, I introduce my name and my partner. Okay, my name is Bong&Aqilah and my partner is Bong&Aqilah. Okay, second. Okay, this is the title for what we must read for the case study. This is we must to find the forensic tool. So the case study said we must to identify 5 tools, and we must to locate the review of this tool on the web, create the table, the list to the type of the data that is search for the feature, the cost, and the catalog. So we must to identify which this tool would we recommend, and we purchase one tool where budget is not concrete, and explain why we choose for this tool.
Hi, my name is Bong&Aqilah, and now I am going to present the first tool. The first tool is SAMSIP, the Science Investigative Forensics Toolkit. Features is methods and techniques. And then VMware applies ready to trigger forensics. Is cross compatibilities between Linux and Windows, and is option to install standalone or use via VMware's player workstation. It can online documentation project at this website. Then the last is button file system support. And now we go into the purpose and function. The purpose and function is can make any modern incidents respond, and Forensics 266 also features in SAMSIP. Advanced Incident Response Course for 508. It supports analysis of expert witness format, advanced forensics format AFF, and RAW expansion formats. It also includes stuff such as timeline from system logs. It is scraper for data file carvings, and is refugee for examining the resolving and small. Then the pricing model is open source, and the cost is free and frequently updated. Then we go into the second tool. The second tool is ProDiscover Forensics. The feature is create a big stream copy of the disk to be analyzed, include hide HPA section to keep original evidence safe. It can serve files or entry disks, including /path, HPA section, and Windows NT 2000 XP other net data stream for complete this forensics analysis. And it can preview all files, even if headed or deleted, without altering data on disk, including file metadata. It can examine and close reference data at the file or cluster level, and also nothing is hidden even in /path. And the last is utilize parent scripts to automate investigation tasks. And we go into function. The function is locate all of the data on the computer disk, and it can protect evidence, and is create quality evidence daily reports for use in legal proceedings, and it is recover, delete, files, examine flash, access Windows Alternate data stream, and dynamically allows a previous source and image capture of the HEP of the disk, utilizing its own provenance, the technology. The last is it can reach the disk at the sector levels. The pricing model is common sales, and the cost is 9,375 ringgit and 35 cents. Then we're going to the next one is volatility framework. Is a single cohesive framework. Is open source GPL v2. It's written in Python. It's run on Windows, Linux, or Mac, and extensible and script-stable API. A parallel feature set and comprehensive coverage of file format is fast and efficient algorithms, and the next is serious and powerful community. And the last is Forencis RI malware focus. We go to the purpose and function. Purpose and function of the volatility framework is test the runtime step of a system using the data found in RAM, and is introduce people to the power of analyzing the runtime step of the system using the data found volatile storage in RAM. Is provided cross-platform modular and extensible platform to experience those works in this existing area of research. And the pricing model is open source, and the cost is free.
Okay, this is the fourth of the forensic tool. The name is Sleuth Kit plus Autospeed. Okay, for the feature of the Sleuth Kits, first is multi-user cases, or you can say MUC. MUC, you can collaborate with fellow examiners on larger cases. Second of the Sleuth Kit is LNK file analysis. The LNK file analysis can identify, shortcut, and access document. Okay. LNK. What is LNK? LNK is a file extension for a shortcut file used by Microsoft Windows 2.0, and executable file stand for link direct to executable file. Next is email analysis. Email analysis can purchase and bulk format message such as Thunderbird or Thunderbird. This is a game for the mBox. Okay. Next is EXIF or EXIF. What is EXIF? EXIF is a extract geolocation and camera information from JPEG file. Okay. The function of the EXIF or EXIF is reading, writing, manipulating image, audit video, and PDF metadata. Okay, next is file type shooting. File type shooting is a group file by their type to find all image or document. Okay, next is media playback. Media playback is view the video and all the image in the application and not require an external viewer. And the last is thumbnail viewer. Thumbnail viewer, you can display thumbnail of image to help quick for the view picture. Okay, next is the how the function of the sleuth kit. Okay, the function of the sleuth kit is can analyze value and file system of data. Before I say the sleuth kit can view your video, right? So the sleuth kit of the function can analyze the value and file system data. Okay, next, the plugin framework allow you to incorporate addition modular to analyze file content and build automate system. AutoSpay is easy to use GUI base. Okay, what is GUI? GUI is graphic user interface. So for the graphic user interface or GUI is a program that allow us to analyze hard device and smartphone efficiently. It has a plug-in architecture that help us to find add-on modulus or develop custom modulus in Java or Python. This Java or Python is programming for you can have a many programming of, let's say for example is Java, Python or C++, C. For the what can say is a language of the programming. Okay, for the sleuth kit, this is open source and commercial forensic tool, and the cost of the sleuth kit is free. Okay, the last of the forensic tool is FTK or forensic toolkit and the FTK imager. Different of the FTK and the FTK imager is for the first you can use the FTK imager, but when you want to use the readable, you can use the FTK and you can get the FTK at the best download in. You can order the FTK in from Access Data. Okay, so what is feature of the FTK? Feature of the FTK is robust searching speed are another hallmark or of FTK. So FTK generators shared index file, which means that you do not need to duplicate or recreate file. Okay, next is FTK can allow for persistence of data that is accessible even if the program itself is crashes. And last is FTK only forensic software that utilize multi-core CPU could cut case investigation time by 400%. Okay, the next is function of the FTK. So function of the FTK is intuitive interface for email analyzed for forensic professional. FTK can retrieve password for over 100. Yeah, you can see so many of the password you can have for when you use the FTK. Have an option to search file based on size, data type, and even pixel size. You can get many password you can use. So next is FTK can visualization technique to generate a more intuitive picture of the case. Okay, next is FTK have a one machine. It's very intelligent. The machine name is Cerberus. The machine to sniff function is to sniff malware on the computer. Optical character recognition engine allow for fast conversion of image to readable text. So FTK is you can see this is open source, and yeah, what before I say is can download for free, but it's a limit. And when you want to use the many benefit for the FTK, you can order from the data, and the best price you can buy of the FTK is $3,995. Okay, the last is what suggestion we want you to use. Okay, for I and my partner discuss, and I think for the best of the forensic tool is FTK, or you can say forensic toolkit and FTK imager, because this decision can be unmatched speed and stability. Okay, FTK uses distribute process and is the only forensic solution to fully leverage multi-thread or multi-core computer, while other forensic tool was to potential of modern hardware solution. So FTK uses 100% of its hardware resource. FTK can helping investigator find relevant event faster. Okay, second, for the reason why we suggest FTK, is very faster for the searching, since indexing is done upfront. Filtering and searching are complete more efficiently than with any other solution. Whatever you investigating or performing document review, you have shared in that file, eliminating the needs to recreate or duplicate file. And the last reason, it is the database driven. So FTK is truly database driven because it's using one share case for the database. All data is stored securely and centrally, allowing your team or use the same data. And this reduces the cost and complexity of creating a multi-client data set. You can see this is many benefit of the FTK for FTK forensic toolkit and FTK imager. So I think you can use this and yeah, for your need some work or anything. So this is for we, and thank you.